Big E is stepping back into the WWE spotlight as part of the post-show panel for WWE Raw's Netflix premiere on January 6. Teaming up with Joe Tessitore and Wade Barrett, the former WWE champion will bring his energy and expertise to break down the action from what promises to be a historic night for the Red brand. This appearance is another key moment for Big E, who has been away from the ring since suffering a serious neck injury in March 2022. Fans were stunned when his New Day teammates Xavier Woods and Kofi Kingston referenced the injury in a dramatic segment on the December 2 episode of WWE Raw, where they symbolically kicked him out of the New Day. Despite the setback, Big E has remained a prominent figure in WWE, taking on panel roles and other opportunities to connect with fans. His spot on the Netflix premiere post-show signals his ongoing importance to the company, even as speculation about a potential in-ring return continues.